Hi, welcome to this introductory tutorial of the VOXON Unity package. In this tutorial I'll cover where to find the package installer, how to import it into your Unity project, and then cover each of the example scenes provided which highlight different features of the package. First, I expect that you've installed the VOXON Unity SDK. If you have not already installed the SDK, please go to voxon.co/community and download it from there. Once the package has been installed, you may go to Start menu, VOXON, and click VOXON Unity to start the package installer. Simply click on an existing project or create a new project. Once Unity is loaded, the package installer will automatically appear. Simply click Import to add the package to your project. Now that the package has been installed, the primary content of the package is within VOXON Photonics. The plugin folder contains a linking DLL that will link this project into the VOXON Photonics DLL that operates the VX1. Within Scenes is a collection of example scenes that highlight the functionality. The initial scene shows a simple project that includes a camera for the VX1, that is this cube, a collection of objects, an object that has a input connection on it, and to test to make sure that this project is working correctly, we can just hit play. As you can see, the simulator is automatically run and is currently displaying the objects to me. I can go into render via the / button and check to make sure that all my visual settings are up correctly. I wish it to be in color, so it's currently in color mode. And once we've confirmed all that, if we wish to save the settings, we can go File, Save Settings. We can now hit Escape to go back to Unity. We can now go on to Spawn Objects, which is a simple example of objects that were not present at the start of the scene being generated and dropped onto a collider. This example covers other topics, content such as color, sound, and within the code itself, how to both spawn and remove objects to be drawn on the VX1. The next project includes the loading of complex meshes along with texture maps for those meshes. This project also serves as a good example of how quickly the speed can degrade by having overly complex scenes as the number of units spawned increases. The next scene includes how to spawn and use a variety of different particle systems. Within this are 2D billboards being drawn, meshes that are in the form, in this case, of pyramids, spheres using an internal system to generate spheres, and cubes. Each of these systems are based entirely on the pre-existing Unity particle systems. A number of options within the particle systems are not currently enabled. Experimentation will be needed to see what best suits your needs for these. A simple project next for just covering how to do mouse input. This covers both left and right click as well as movement. The VOXON SDK also includes a simple text system. Many users may prefer to use three-dimensional text in preference to two-dimensional text. Depending on your needs, this may, however, be sufficient. Finally is a in-progress scene provided to highlight internalized types which do not operate as part of the game object system. These objects can be spawned internally in dozens and be used to make your own personalized particle system. That has been an example of each of the projects within the SDK. Please catch back soon for an example of how to create a scene from scratch within Unity.